A new chapter in India's investment world has just begun. Jio and BlackRock have officially launched their mutual funds, and this could be a game changer for Indian investors. But what's in it for you? Let's find out. Welcome to Your Wealth and Wonder, your trusted guide for investment insights. In this video, we will explore the details, strategies, and potential of the new Jio BlackRock Mutual Funds, and whether you should keep them on your watch list. Reliance Industries and BlackRock, one of the world's largest asset managers, have partnered to launch a new mutual fund house in India. Their goal? To make investing simpler, cheaper, and accessible to millions of Indians. The new fund house is expected to offer a wide range of mutual funds including equity funds, debt funds, index funds, and ETFs. They aim to provide low-cost, tech-driven investment solutions. Let's dive into the three debt schemes launched so far: liquid fund, money market fund, and overnight fund. Here's everything you need to know. First, the Jio BlackRock Liquid Fund. You can invest starting at 500 rupees. It targets regular income via money market and debt instruments with residual maturity up to 91 days. It carries no exit load from day 7 onwards and is benchmarked to the Nifty Liquid Index. Next, the Money Market Fund. Also open with 500 rupees minimum, this scheme invests in top-tier money market instruments up to 1 year residual maturity. Its goal is regular income with low interest rate and moderate credit risk. Finally, the Overnight Fund, safest of the lot. Also available from 500 rupees, it invests only in overnight securities. It has zero exit load and is benchmarked to the Nifty 1D Rate Index. Here's a side-by-side view for your reference. You can check it out for better understanding as well as comparison of all the schemes. Why is this launch so significant? Because Jio's deep digital reach combined with BlackRock's global expertise can revolutionize how Indians invest, just like Jio changed telecom. Reports suggest that Jio BlackRock may offer lower expense ratios and easy-to-use apps to attract first-time investors. This could create pressure on existing mutual fund houses to lower their fees. The Indian mutual fund industry is already growing rapidly. The entry of Jio BlackRock could further boost this momentum, driving more retail participation and possibly triggering a price war. Should you invest? As always, it's important to study each fund's details, objectives, and risk factors. The buzz is big, but informed decisions are always better than impulsive ones. So that's a complete overview of Jio BlackRock's new mutual funds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow investors. Comment below what you think about this new launch.